Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we are going over the Strdy token from Strdy Finance. Now this token just got listed today on a very big central exchange, ticker symbol STRDY. And it is available now on a big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Strdy Finance token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is already listed today on a very big central exchange. So it was just announced this morning. It says here, the Strdy token will be listed in the Innovation Zone today, February 11th, 9:20 UTC time, which is already passed. So this token is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search STRDY, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It says Strdy enables anyone to create a liquid money market for any token. Strdy uses a novel two-tier architecture to isolate risk between assets while avoiding liquidity fragmentation. The base layer consists of risk-isolated pools. Aggregation built on top enables lenders to select which collateral assets can be used as collateral for their deposits. There is a total supply of 100 million Strdy tokens. Now, this token here is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find it on Etherscan. 18 decimal places on this token. It says price today is around $1.25 per token US. It says it's up 16.7%. On-chain market cap $125 million. Circulating supply market cap is a little bit over $23.9 million. Right now they have 5,727 holders. So they're off to a great start here. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here so you guys can easily find this project. At Strdy Finance on Twitter, gold verified checkmark, 1,217 posts. It says isolated lending with shared liquidity powered by the Strdy subnet. Has a link to their Discord right there. You could join the Discord if you want. 27,600 Twitter followers, and their webpage is right there, Strdy.finance. Now, besides all that, if you go over to the webpage, they have an application linked all over the place that you could join. They have audits that you could check out. There is a dashboard, markets, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, and a GitHub, all sorts of links there. So Strdy enables anyone to create liquid money markets for any token. How it works? Strdy introduces permissionless pooled lending accomplished through a novel two-tier architecture. Number one, the tier one is the siloed lending pairs. So each siloed lending pair operates as a mini lending market consisting of a single lending asset and a single collateral asset. And for example, You can have a siloed lending pair where users can only lend or borrow USDC and can only use ETH as collateral. Each siloed lending pair is isolated, meaning a user who lends to silo X has no exposure to silo Y. They're simplistic, immutable, permissionless to create a technically similar. They're technically similar to Fraxlend, if you've ever heard of that before. So silos themselves aren't a new development and can be found in existing isolated lending protocols. And what makes Strdy v2 innovative is its novel method for preventing liquidity fragmentation. This is where the aggregation layer comes in, and tier 2 is the aggregators. So the second layer of Strdy v2 consists of aggregators that move funds between siloed lending pairs. Users lend a single asset to a Y-earned v3 lending optimizer, which deposits the assets to whitelisted siloed lending pairs. Each aggregator automatically distributes lent assets among the whitelisted siloed lending pairs to maximize yield. Aggregators use Strdy's BitTrue subnet to find the optimal allocation between whitelisted silos. Users lending to the aggregator would be exposed only to the collateral types they've chosen, with no exposure to other siloed lending pairs or collateral assets. Now they have the token here. It's the governance token of the Strdy DAO, which governs the Strdy protocol. And how it's distributed, we got 19% going to investors with a 3-year vesting, 1-year cliff. 19% going to contributors with a 3-year vesting, 1-year cliff. 60.5% going to Treasury with no vesting, and 1.5% going to airdrop with no vesting as well. Now, they have a governance section here. So it says Strdy holders shape the future of the protocol through governance, and to participate in governance, you can contribute to discussions in the forums. So they tell you how to do that on their document section. If you're looking for the docs, you can go over to docs.strdy.finance, and they go over the Strdy subnet, security and audits, liquidations, and interest rates, risk management, how to use liquidity mining, community resources, all sorts of links. And you can find that and even more links on their webpage, strdy.finance. And you can find this token newly listed as of today on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.